I'm Ellen Mary, and in this video I'll be showing you how to take leaf cuttings. Some plants can be propagated from a whole or from part of a leaf, which is an easy way to increase numbers of your favourite indoor plants. Leaf cuttings are best taken early in the growing season, from spring to early summer, although some can be propagated at any time of the year. Always select healthy, young, fully grown foliage. Avoid any damaged, diseased or leaves affected by pests. The materials you will need for this are a cutting board, a knife, a seed tray, a propagator or clear plastic bag, some pots, cactus compost and some fine grit. Taking whole leaf cuttings is a suitable method of propagation for plants such as Saintpaulia, Peperomia and a variety of succulents. For this video we will use Crassula, aka the Jade plant. Leaf cuttings of succulents should be left a day or two to callus. This is where the cut surface thickens before potting. Insert individual leaves into pots filled to 3/4 depth with 2 parts cactus compost to 1 part fine grit, topped off with some more fine grit. Do not cover and place in warm position with good light. Keep the compost just slightly moist. There are a few problems to look out for with whole leaf cuttings. The cutting will be prone to rotting off if the compost is too wet. Water carefully and air the cuttings about twice a week and remove any decaying leaves promptly. The development of the plantlets will slow at low temperatures. You keep the cuttings at about 20 degrees Celsius. Otherwise, poor growth can also be caused by low light levels. Place in a well-lit place, but protect from direct sunshine so they don't get burnt. And don't forget to watch out for pests such as aphids, whitefly and mealybug. Thanks for watching and good luck propagating. Comment below if you have been successful with your methods and visit the RHS website for more advice.